Welcome back to the final section of the decision making, and this is the Elif statement. The Elif statement is part of a decision making, and it is there in case you have multiple conditions. So if a condition is not the case, you want to go through the second condition. If the second condition is not the case, you want to go through the third condition, and so on and so forth. So you can have multiple Elif, but you can only have a single if and a single else at a time. I'll show you what I mean. So assuming you intend to go to the market and buy fish, but if they do not have fish, you want to buy meat. If they do not have meat, then you just want to buy anything else. An example like that would come up like this. So on line 3, I say if fish is in the list of the shop items, then you print buying fish. But if fish is not there, you check meat. If meat is in the shop items, then you say buying meat. If fish is not there and meat is not there, then just buy the third thing you find in the item. So let's see what this says. As you can see, it says buying shrimp, and this is concatenation, and these two means it's taking the third item in the list. So 0, 1, 2. Now let's go through this condition and see what happens. I'm going to debug and step through the code one after the other. I expect my debugger to stop at line 3, which it did. So in my shop items, the list of shop items, I have these 3 items: steak, beef, and shrimp. The first condition checks if fish is in the shop items. But fish nibe, so it goes to the next one. So obviously it's not going to enter line 4, which is the if block statement. So lost line 5. Automatic, but she meet one in the shop items here. To meet buy one bet, then it print buying meat. But meat is not in the shop items, then it just goes to the last one, which is the else. Then it prints buying shrimp. Okay, so you can have multiple elif statements. I can do another elif and say if sausage in shop items, then print buying sausage. Okay, so your elif can be as much as you want based on the conditions you want. So in this situation, let's add sausage to the list and see what happens. So because sausage is in the list, then once it gets to this line 7, it sees the sausage is there, then it goes to line 8 to print it. So I'm going to debug this so you see what I'm talking about. So the first one checks if fish is in shop item. Fish is not in it, so it skips that. It checks again if meat is in the shop items. Remember, these are the shop items. Meat is not in it, so it skips. Then it checks if sausage is in the shop items. So obviously it is there. Then it goes on line 8 and print it out. So it's not always necessary you have your else statement. It would work without else. Else is just there to say if none of the condition of the if elif evaluates to true, then just do whatever else is left, and you always have the condition here else. So that's it about the decision making in Python programming. And going on, we'll be discussing another topic called loops. And loop is basically iteration, a way you can iterate through a list of items or tuples or anything like that. So thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe if you like the videos, and like if you do. If you don't, still like. And I'll see you in the next video section. Thank you.